Welcome back to the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Today I'm at Lake Como at Mount Blanca in Colorado. This whole journey to Lake Como has a bit of a backstory if you're interested. I tried to hike it 2 years ago and I fell about 3/4 of a mile short from reaching the lake. All Trails says that this hike is 8 miles round trip, but what I didn't know is that it's quite difficult to get to the trailhead in a standard vehicle. I ended up parking about 1.5 miles away from the trailhead, which adds a total of 3 miles round trip to the hike, so that 8 miles turned into 11 miles, and it ended up being too much for me on that day. Fast forward to Sunday, June 29, I recently purchased a side-by-side UTV, and I was able to get to the trailhead, so I made the hike on Sunday and got up to the lake, and it was well worth the wait. It is beautiful up here. If you're interested, I am offering a service of carting people up to the trailhead using my side-by-side since I live so close. I live just 3.5 miles away. If you're going to be hiking this trail and need a little bit of assistance getting to the trailhead, feel free to contact me. I'll leave my contact info in the description of this video. But I wanted to tell you as much as I know about Lake Como. The mosquitoes are really bad, so bring your bug spray. There is camping allowed, so if you want to hike to Mount Blanca, Lake Como is going to be a great base camp for you to camp out overnight. I've heard the fishing is decent. A guy at Harbor Freight was telling me to bring my fishing pole. I'm not a big fisherman, but maybe someday I'll get back into it. It was June 29, and my whole hike up to the lake was sunshine the entire way. And as you'll see here in about 2 minutes, it was snowing at Lake Como. It wasn't snowing bad, just a few flurries, but it was enough to show up in my camera. So this Lake Como road is actually a Jeep road. So the rock crawlers sometimes come up this way. And there are obstacles along the way, jaws 1, 2, 3, and I think jaws 4. And these skilled rock crawlers are able to get through all of the obstacles, which is amazing to me. I know jaws 2 in particular is quite dangerous. But I had a great time hiking. My legs are still sore from the hike that was 3 days ago. If you want to go beyond Lake Como, even if you don't want to go all the way to Mount Blanca, there are a few more lakes beyond this that I saw on Google Maps, which maybe I'll venture out to and try to reach the lakes someday. But I don't know. Lake Como in itself was quite the trek. All Trails says it's 8 miles, but I registered more like 9.5 miles, partly because I walked around the lake. But I would plan on, if you can make it to the trailhead, I would plan on a total of probably 9 miles. But definitely going to want to remember your bug spray. The mosquitoes were bad most of the way up the trail. But next time I bring my drone, I want to try to get just a little bit better footage. As you'll see when I come around this way here, I felt like if I could have brought the drone higher and further out, I would have gotten some really cool footage just beyond all the rocks right here. But anyway, that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. As you can see, here are the flurries I mentioned earlier. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel. We will see you next time.